Artificial intelligence is no longer just a sci-fi dream. It's already transforming how modern militaries observe, decide, and fight. From autonomous drones and smart sensors to predictive logistics and cyber warfare, AI is becoming a force multiplier. But with these advances come serious risks, questions about control, ethics, and escalation. In this video, we'll explore how AI is being used in military technology today, through real deployments, major systems, and emerging trends, and ask, where do we go from here? We'll start with the origins of military AI, trace how it evolved into today's battlefield systems, and uncover how algorithms are reshaping intelligence, logistics, and cyber defense. It started decades ago with rule-based expert systems and early experiments in automated planning. But the rise of machine learning and massive battlefield data changed everything. Today, an AI arms race is accelerating. The United States, China, and Russia are all competing to integrate AI into military capabilities. Defense strategies now treat AI as a strategic priority, and the focus is shifting from cloud computing to edge AI, algorithms running directly on drones, sensors, and vehicles in the field. AI is revolutionizing intelligence and surveillance. Neural networks analyze satellite, radar, and thermal imagery faster than any human team, identifying tanks, aircraft, or missile launchers in seconds. But the challenge remains. False positives, camouflage, and adversarial interference mean that human oversight is still essential. Autonomous systems are expanding rapidly, from drones that coordinate as intelligent swarms to ground robots that deliver supplies or assist wounded soldiers. Ukraine's Sky Sentinel turret, for example, uses AI to track and intercept drones. Yet, the line between automation and autonomy is thin and raises serious ethical questions. AI doesn't just fight, it sustains. Predictive algorithms track vibration and sensor data to forecast when engines or parts will fail, keeping aircraft like the F-35 mission-ready. Smart planning tools optimize routes and resupply, even under contested conditions. Commanders now use AI to integrate intelligence, simulate scenarios, and recommend courses of action. Systems like the Pentagon's Project Maven and NATO's Anticip fuse sensor data to highlight threats in real time. Still, the biggest question remains, can humans trust the black box they don't fully understand? In cyberspace, AI is both shield and sword. It detects intrusions, predicts new malware, and adapts to electronic jamming faster than any operator. But the same tools can be used offensively. An arms race between algorithms now unfolds in the digital shadows. Modern war relies on resilient communication. AI dynamically reconfigures mesh networks to survive jamming or outages. This emerging Internet of Battlefield Things links drones, sensors, and troops, keeping the network alive even when the sky falls silent. AI in military operations is no longer theoretical. It's already here, profoundly shaping the modern battlefield. Let's look at real deployments, from the US to Ukraine, that are defining this new era of warfare. The US Department of Defense's Project Maven uses AI to detect and classify objects in satellite and drone imagery, helping analysts identify threats faster. It's one of the first AI systems operationally integrated into targeting workflows, with intelligence expected to be 100% machine-generated by June 2026. In Israel, a system known as the Gospel or Habsora uses AI to analyze vast surveillance data and prioritize potential targets. Human analysts review the AI's recommendations, illustrating how humans remain in the decision loop, ensuring ethical oversight. In Ukraine, the Sky Sentinel turret employs AI to autonomously detect and shoot down hostile drones, a real combat application where machine vision protects troops in real time. NATO's Maven smart system, developed with Palantir, fuses data from multiple nations, helping allies share intelligence and coordinate faster. The US Pentagon's Thunderforge project, launched in 2025, aims to use AI to optimize logistics, resource movements, and strategic planning. And predictive maintenance, like the Air Force's CBM Plus program, uses AI to forecast when engines or parts will fail, keeping high-value assets like the F-35 mission-ready. These systems reveal both potential and peril. AI improves speed, precision, and awareness, but also raises hard questions about trust, accountability, and escalation. With great power comes fragility. Battlefield AI faces reliability issues, adversarial attacks, and data drift. A single misclassification, a false target or spoofed signal, can trigger cascading errors with deadly consequences. There's also the human factor. As automation grows, operators may overtrust AI systems, creating automation bias. The interface between human and machine becomes a critical ethical frontier, demanding careful consideration. Who is accountable when an algorithm helps choose a target? Many of these models are black boxes, hard to interpret, harder to audit. International law demands human judgment in lethal decisions, yet fully autonomous weapons could challenge those principles, risking violations of humanitarian law and human rights. Finally, the AI arms race itself may create instability where machines react faster than humans can intervene. In a future of algorithmic escalation, the greatest threat might be speed itself, outpacing human decision-making. Governments and organizations are now racing to create guardrails, establishing frameworks for responsible AI. The U.S. Department of Defense has adopted AI ethical principles, focusing on responsibility, traceability, and human oversight. These principles build upon existing ethics frameworks, including the U.S. Constitution, law of war, and international treaties. Internationally, bodies like the UN and RAND Corporation advocate for transparency, testing, and control mechanisms. Ideas like safe by design, red teaming, and ethical constraint models are emerging to ensure AI acts predictably under pressure. But classification and secrecy remain obstacles, especially as AI becomes a key strategic advantage, hindering broader collaboration. What's next? We're moving toward collaborative human-AI teams, drone swarms with emergent intelligence, and AI systems that learn in real time on the battlefield. Future breakthroughs in quantum AI, neuromorphic chips, and edge computing could make autonomy even more resilient and powerful. But these advances bring a new frontier of ethical and strategic uncertainty, demanding careful navigation. If AI can make war faster, cheaper, and easier, will we see more of it, and what are the global implications? AI is reshaping how nations prepare, decide, and fight, from surveillance to strategy, with immense promise and profound risks. The future of military AI depends on one critical question: will humanity stay in command, or will machines dictate the terms? What do you think? Should AI make life-and-death decisions? Tell us in the comments and subscribe for more insights on the future of AI and warfare.